नमस्ते, स्वागत है आप सबका। आज का दिन शुभ हो। पिछली वीडियो में हमने अ से ऊ तक के स्वर अक्षर देखे थे। अ से ऊ स्वर से अप टू ऊ स्वर we have learned the letters, svar letters in Hindi. So today in this video we are going to start with the letter Re, with the letter E. Come on, let us start. See, this is Re. Re. Re swar letter. Hindi swar letter, vowel letter Re. See how to write this Re now. Let us see. First, mark. Oh, let us wait. Yes, we have to take brush and then one standing line, then like mirror K, then to twist like this, then one upper line. Okay, Re, line, then a mirror K, that is opposite side K, then from the center like this we have to make a small S and its tail, then mark the upper line. This is Re. So the words that starts from Re say Rishi, Re say Rishi, sage. Re say Ritu, Re say Ritu, season. Then the next letter is A. Now let us see how to write A. Here first we have to draw like this, and then from this side like this, A. Then mark upper line, A. Once again, let me show you. Here, then mark like this, then from here like this, then upper line, A. Now let us see the words that starts from A. A say X-ray, A say X-ray. A say Ekta, unity, A say Ekta, unity. A say Ek, one, A say Ek, one. A say AD, A say AD. Now let us move to the next letter. Next is I. We should not say A. It's I. Now let us see how to write the same like A. First, mark like this. Then, little bit my handwriting is getting good. Okay. Then, upper line. Then mark one symbol like this. A, it should join here. Here, see once again. I, upper line, and then its symbol should join here. I. Now let us see the words that starts with I. I say Airavat, I say Airavat. I say Ainak, I say Ainak. Now, shall we move to the next letter? Yes. Are you ready? Yes, we'll go. O. The next vowel letter is अगला स्वर अक्षर है O. चलो देखते हैं कैसे लिखते हैं इसे। O कैसे लिखा जा रहा है इसे? पहले अ बना लो, जैसे हमने अ बनाया था पहले, अ, देन like this, go up, down, then mark one standing line behind this, then upper line, and then the symbol, O symbol, that should join here. O. O. Once again, see how to write like this. A. First we have to write A. Then this will change into A by adding one standing line here. Then upper line. Then O symbol like this. How to join here. Okay. O. 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 Now let us sing the words from O. O say oat. O say oat. O say odhni, shawl. O say odhni, shawl. Then O say okhali. O say okhali, mortar. O say os, dew. O say os, dew. Now let's move to the next स्वर letter. अगला स्वर letter है ow. Ow, not o. It's ow. Ow. Okay. Let us see how to write now. जैसे हमने O बनाया था, we draw O first. How to draw this? See, A. Then mark on standing line, A. Then upper line. Then two O, ow symbol like this one, and one more symbol like this. Ow. 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 Okay. Now, shall we go to the next letter? Yes, come on. Words. Okay. Ow words. Ow say औरत. Ow say औरत. Women. Ow say औजार. Ow say औजार. औजार का मतलब है tool. औजार means tool. Ow say औषधि. Ow say औषधि, medicine. औषधि का मतलब है medicine. ओके, चलते हैं नेक्स्ट लेटर पर. नेक्स्ट लेटर है अम. ये जो सिंबल है ना, ये हम पीछे दूसरे वीडियो में भी हम डिटेल से देखते हैं इसे. लेट विल सी दिस इन अ डिटेल इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो. इसे अनुस्वार कहते हैं एक्चुअली. अंगूर, सी द वर्ड्स व्हेन यू सी यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड दिस. ओके. Sometimes it sounds like im and sometimes it sounds in. Okay. See, let us see the words. Oh, first how to write. Okay. First we have to make a up, down, then upper line, then here one dot. Here one dot. बिंदी से बिंदी लगा लिया यहाँ पर. ओके. सो द नेक्स्ट वर्ड्स आर से अंजीर. से अंजीर, फिग. से अंडा. से अंडा. से अंगूठा. से अंगूठा. See this bindi, this dot, this sounds as or sometimes in. Anda. Here all the three words anda, angutha, anjeer, in. Sometimes it's fall into im sounds. Okay. Okay. Next we'll move to the next letter. Next letter is ah. This is visor. This is said to be as a visor. I said there is 13 vowel letters in Hindi. 13 vowel letters in Hindi. Out of 13, only the 11 letters would be considered as a vowel letters only 11 letters are used as a verbal letters. This anuswar and visarg are not used in the verbal letters. Okay, let us see how to write this. Very easy. You have been practiced till now, I think so. A बनाकर बनाओ, then upper line डालो, then यहाँ पर 2 dots. This is okay. Okay, चलते हैं. देखिए, से प्रातः काल, से प्रातः काल. छह से छह 6. एक सेकेंड. से प्रातः काल छह. See this dot. This dot sounds as pratah, chah sounds. Okay, that is visarg. And now conversation to you. क्या आपको आम पसंद है? क्या in my first video itself I said क्या means what. क्या means what. क्या आपको आम पसंद है? Now the क्या has come to the first question, first word as a question word. Okay, there we have used the second word. आपको क्या पसंद है? We have written like that. Okay, what do you like? Now this is do you like mango? क्या आपको आम पसंद है? There we have asked what do you like. Here we are asking do you like mango? The answer is हाँ, yes. मुझे आम पसंद है. I like mango. See in the negative? नहीं, no. मुझे आम पसंद नहीं है. I don't like mango. No, I don't like mango. Can you understand now? Now you can use this words, this sentence for this question for many words. क्या आपको अंगूर पसंद है? हाँ, मुझे अंगूर पसंद है. Yes, I like अंगूर, grapes. नहीं, मुझे अंगूर पसंद नहीं है. No, I don't like अंगूर. Likewise, you can use all the words which I given in this video alone. You can use those words and make question like this and get the answer from your family members. Try again and again. Definitely you will be able to speak Hindi. Okay, continuously just watch my videos. In every video I will give you the conversations like this and you can learn Hindi. Okay. Now see, I have given you swar akshar, all the akshars here. A, I, U, री यहाँ पर नहीं है. ए, आई, ओ, आउ, अह. री is a separate letter. They have given I have given the pair words, pair letters. Ri is a separate letter, so I have not included here. Okay, then okay. धन्यवाद to all. जय हिंद.